my fellow senior high school students, and welcome to Kapnayan TV. I am Kimberly Mactal from 11th STEM. In our previous episode, we learned about the pH buffers and how to get a specific pH buffer using the equation of Henderson-Hasselbalch. Today, together with my team, everyone is welcome in this exciting world of chemistry. Join me in exploring and learning about electrochemical redox reaction. Did you know that in any electrochemical process, electrons flow from one chemical substance to another, driven by an oxidation reduction or redox reaction? Redox reaction takes place when electrons are transferred from a substance that is oxidized to another that is being reduced. The reductant is the substance that loses electrons and is oxidized in the process. The oxidant gains electrons and is reduced in the process. The associated potential energy is determined by the potential difference between the valence electrons in the atoms of different elements. A reduction is impossible without oxidation and vice versa. A redox reaction is made up of two half reactions, one representing oxidation and the other representing reduction. An electrochemical cell is a device that generates electricity from a spontaneous redox reaction or conversely uses electricity to drive a non-spontaneous redox reaction and has two types: the galvanic cell and the electrolytic cell. Properties of galvanic cell. A galvanic cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. The redox reaction occurs spontaneously in this case, and it's responsible for the generation of electrical energy. The anode is the negative electrode. It undergoes oxidation, while the cathode undergoes reduction. Parts of galvanic cell: the anode, the cathode, the salt bridge, the half cells, the external circuit, and the load. Function of galvanic cell. A galvanic cell is a type of electrochemical cell. It is used to provide electrical current by transferring electrons via a redox process. A galvanic cell is an example of how to collect energy by using simple reactions between a few elements. Properties of electrolytic cells. An electrolytic cell converts electrical energy into chemical energy. The redox reaction is not subconscious and therefore requires electrical energy to get started. Both electrodes are submerged in a molten electrolyte solution in the same container. The cathode is negative electrode. The anode undergoes oxidation while the cathode undergoes reduction. Parts of electrolytic cells. An electrolytic cell has three components part: an electrolyte and two electrodes, a cathode and an anode. Function of electrolytic cells. Electrolytic cells converts electrical energy into chemical potential energy. The process is known as electrolysis. The purpose of this usually to convert reactants into more useful products. That's all for this video, and I hope you had a great time learning here in Kapnayan TV. This has been Kimberly Mactal, and it has been an honor to share my knowledge with you. Until next time, my fellow students.